ki khubor ka batesi TV lawan ra ashapi taka net footage ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakhrdop yeng jongpi
Dr. Inda Keolin Kharbuli, MBBS, MD, DM Nephrology. Idai Dr. Baningkong haga jilla jongi. Ibala pentibit jalade ban sumariya ki badan jingshitom ki kelai ki bam light penjahit bha ki baat ki kejan bat ki badan kam ban le dialysis. Wan ban yakendo yi ha Woodland Hospital dhan kheti Shillong man lakas ngi do ka por shipho baje min step shaneng. Menteri Rangba jong kejela Konrad Kongkel Sangma haka sauterik unai leber arajar arpuar ulapin kesan baki Ngut ki MLA jong keseng Kongres kidai ki bala Shah Sospon haka parti lani laban ongru ba kidai ki bala Shah beseng shipor halor ke nongrim baki la ai jingkershan ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance dak bayai laj ya keriti traikam jong keseng Kongres. Haka jingya keren bat kilat patai kubor Konrad Sangma uloong bayam mentahi kamdan setia kano ke jingbam ya sngoto jingmut hapedeng ke BJP bat ke seng Kongres namar baka jingya trailang hapo ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai bait ne ke benta ke baha kamiat jong ki paj ba nong song snong jong ke jilla.
No, as I said, this is it's a very positive step, and today we are seeing that based on the work that we have done and the kind of development aspects and different issues that we have tried to resolve, has built up the confidence even in these leaders who were in the opposition. And today it's a positive reflection of the work of the government that today these leaders are supporting the NDA. But there is no need to be any conflict because there have first been the Congress party has taken action against them, so they have been suspended from the party. So right now they are actually in a way not really Congress because they've been suspended, and so therefore I don't see any issue in any kind of conflict of interest. We are all here to work together for the state, and I'll ensure that we carry everybody along.